Cashew chicken. I'm going to show you all how the recipe is plus what I changed this time. I cut 1.5 pounds of chicken breasts in 2 bite-sized pieces. I wish I would have made 3 pounds. Next I get 3 bowls, one with 2 eggs and 3/4 cup of milk. Here comes someone trying to help. Mix that well, add salt and pepper. Then in a separate bowl, add 1 cup flour and season that as well with salt and pepper. I just moved my cut chicken into the egg mixture. Mix that well too, coat the chicken pieces well in the egg. Then a few pieces at a time I put the chicken into the flour, then back into the bowl it was originally in. I think I easily could have used half the amount of the egg mixture and maybe added a little more flour. Cover chicken pieces and refrigerate between 15–30 minutes before frying. While the chicken is refrigerating, make your sauce. On the stove put 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 3/4 cup chicken broth, 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon sakè, 1 teaspoon rice vinegar. Let that come to a simmer. Now make a cornstarch slurry. 2 tablespoons cornstarch plus 2 tablespoons water. Whisk well to break up all those lumps. Once that's simmering, whisk in your slurry. I added big slices of garlic. You can omit this completely or just dice it up well if you prefer it that way. Once you have mixed in your slurry, let it come to a gentle simmer. It should thicken pretty quickly. At this point it's ready. You can set it aside on warm until chicken is cooked. If you plan on trying the blended cashew version, set some of this aside to compare. I really wanted to get a cashew flavor in the sauce, so I blended a 1/3 cup cashew with a 1/2 cup chicken broth. Then I whisked it into the simmering sauce. Then 1 tablespoon mirin. I honestly think I prefer the sauce the original way, but they were both good. You might love it that way. For the chicken, heat 3 inches of oil to 350 degrees. Adjust your oil temperature as needed. Fry the chicken for 4 to 5 minutes until golden brown or reaches 165 internally. I forgot to record me pouring the sauce on. Drain oil off your chicken pieces and pour sauce over the chicken. Top with cashews and green onions. We also had a simple teriyaki sauce over some of the chicken. Let me know in the comments if you want me to show you all how to make that. Check out my pork egg roll and the chicken lo mein video as well. Thanks for watching.